Having that moment in that set was incredible. It felt like an action movie. Getting to stand there with the fire around me and all the bodies dead, and I was the only one standing, and boom, boom, boom.
Hey guys, welcome back to another banger tutorial. Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to level up your edits with this AE transition on Capcut. But before we start, drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. Also leave your tutorial requests in the comments section. Let's get to work.
Supposed to take stuff from strangers.
Oh, well, I'm Pennywise the Dancing Clown. Where you going, Ed?